Title: Groundwork, Building the Foundation for Success. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word groundwork. Groundwork is a noun that refers to the preliminary or essential work and preparations required to set a strong foundation for a project, plan, or endeavor. It signifies the critical steps taken to ensure future success. Pronunciation. Pronouncing groundwork is simple, groundwork, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, before starting a new business, it's crucial to lay the groundwork by conducting market research and developing a business plan. Importance. Groundwork is fundamental in achieving success, as it ensures that necessary tasks are completed, risks are assessed, and the path forward is well prepared. Conclusion. In summary, groundwork is a word that represents the indispensable effort and preparations that form the basis for future achievements. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the significance of groundwork in reaching your goals and aspirations.